Hello, my name is Shawn Roloff, and today we're going to be talking about PD pathways and how to check your progress for your induction program. First, you'll need to log on to Performance Matters. Once you have accessed your account, go to PD Pathways along the black bar. And once you're in the PD Pathway dashboard, you'll see My PD Pathways. In my case, you can see that I have the elementary K-5 pathway. Everyone should have a PD pathway if you are in induction. When you click on the PD pathway, you'll want to go to Courses. What you'll see on the Courses page is all of the required courses for your induction program. In this case, this is a K-5 educator, and so we can say, look at orientation, it's done. We look at Foundations of CLDE, it's done. New Educator Academy cohort, it shows that I'm registered and the course is in progress. What you'll notice is that the only course that doesn't have anything on it is the Induction Spring Deeper Learning course. That's because you will not be able to register for this course until January. So at this point, it simply says not registered. If you are on track, you should have orientation completed, your Foundation of CLDE either completed or you should be registered for it, and you should be in progress for your Academy cohorts if you are a K-12 or ESS instructor. If you have any questions about induction or your PD pathway, please reach out to your induction facilitator, or you can reach out to me in the Professional Learning Department. Thank you, and we hope you have a wonderful day.